Hi guys, in this video I like to show you, or I like to compare two pieces of panhandles. The first one is this one. I bought it on eBay. The price was about €1, which is $1. It weighs 37 grams, and I thought this is a good one because I can grab the pot, I can put it on the fire. It's compatible with many different pots which we use in the camp, and I thought it's okay. I have a nice piece of equipment which makes the job. And after that, a few months later, I went into an outdoor shop and I have seen this one. This panhandle was made in Germany. It weighs 44 grams. There are some holes in the material, and as you can see, the German one is a bit thicker, which means that this is stronger, and the joints are a bit stronger and sturdier. So I tried this one, and as you can see, I can't rotate this cup with this one, but with this one I can rotate the pot. It's okay, it doesn't wobble. It's okay. It's okay. So altogether, both makes the job, but this is a quality piece. This is a cheaper one, but it's okay too. And another feature, I don't know the use of this one, but I can even grab my knife with this one. So thank you for watching. It was a short comparison video. See you later. Bye bye.